The dream continues for Filipina tennis star Alex Eala, who stunned world number 2 Iga Swiatek to storm into the Miami Open semifinals. Eala secured her third straight win over a Grand Slam champion in the tournament. The 19-year-old took control early, crushing set 1 before a tough set 2 win to seal the deal. Final score is 6-2 and 7-5. In the semifinals, Eala will be up against either Emma Raducanu or world number 4 Jessica Pegula. After her win, Eala thanked fans for their support. International Women's Month may be ending, but these Filipina designers are keeping the spirit alive, making their mark on a global stage through Nike's latest signature shoe. Mobile journalist Denise Valdesancho has the story.
3 brilliant Filipinas, 1 iconic shoe. Meet the designers who gave a new look to the WNBA champion and Olympian Sabrina Ionescu's signature shoe Nike Sabrina 2. Branded as the Nike Sabrina 2 X Titan, Alex Papa, Larry Gazman, and Ayla Torre translated their vision into a reality.
What was cool about it was, I think kahit iba-iba yung shinare namin, nagkaroon siya ng parang overarching theme na nakaka-relate kami.
The color of a neutral light bone dominated the sneaker, accented with purple, emerald, and blush inspired by Titan's Show Her Love community. This was coupled with the New York Liberty's seafoam teal shade. Torre, also a former player and hails from the Ateneo and UP Diliman, depicted the growth of the game through the empty bleachers seen on the left insole.
To go back to Titan Show Her Love tournament, wala naman ganun dati, especially nung time namin and even before. Madalang yung ganong opportunities for female basketball players.
Gazman from the College of Fine Arts and Design of the University of Santo Tomas envisioned her element through the fire spinner, evident in the pink to yellow gradient swoosh and imprinted on the right insole.
And I think that speaks to the duality of any woman, that we're very resilient, that we can do anything, that put us anywhere and we will thrive.
Papa, a UP Baguio graduate and a designer for Titan, focused on women's efforts and opportunities, symbolized through make-space typography, tangram puzzles and Bauhaus shapes on the heels, as well as the Hooper graphic behind the tongue.
Parang sinasalamin niya din yung mga efforts ng mga kababaihan and then yung mga opportunities na meron tayo na meron tayong opportunity pero kailangan natin ng tulong ng iba, like our supporters, diba, yung mga cheerleaders natin.
Reflecting on the time Ionescu stayed in the country, the designers highlighted both her warmth and cold-bloodedness, making an impact to every Filipina.
A woman, if you put her in a situation na parang, can you show the best of you? Can you show your fiercest self? Yes, but also the other side of the coin is that we're women, we're loving.
More than just sneakers.
Well-received siya across all genders. Yung objective din nung lahat nung initiative of empowering women is gearing towards a culture na mas inclusive.
To everyone who will wear this shoe,
I hope that they remember when they wear this shoe that anything is possible. They have it all in them. And I hope that the men wearing this shoe always remember to think, what can I do to support a woman today and every day?
Mobile journalist Denise Valdesancho. We are One News.